What up, guys? CrawlerCast here. Just want to tell y'all about a little situation I had with a new transmission that I was running. So the transmission is the Dlux Fab N.O.D. Ultralight. It's a beautiful transmission, super light, super low. Really love the transmission. First comp in, had a little mishap, and I'll be fully honest, it was bound up a little bit. I don't think it was that bound up, but it was bound up a little bit. I was on the winch line, and anybody that runs Nomad Creations winch line, you know that stuff will break stuff before it breaks the winch line. Anyway, had a little issue, snapped some gears, and just wanted to tell you guys about my experience with Dlux Fab and their customer service. So of course I hit them up on Messenger through their Facebook account, and easy peasy, tell you the truth. I hit them up and said, hey, had a little mishap and broke some gears. And the only questions I got were all the gears broken? And what's your address? Now I tell you what, that is what I'm talking about when it comes to customer service, because I was sweating. So here's the thing. They asked me for the purchase number, which I did not have. I paid cash for the transmission at Crawlerpalooza. Luckily, because of my reputation, I was able to kind of bypass that, I believe. I threw out some names. Thank you, JJ. Appreciate it. Helping me pick out the transmission in the first place. But so they asked me about when I bought it, and I told them everything, and it was no problem after that. He just asked if all the gears were broken or if it was just the one. And so I did a further examination, and a couple of the gears were broken. And so they sent me a full set. We got them right here, just got them in the mail. So we're going to get this transmission put back together and see what we can do with it. All right, so here's what broke. So this gear snapped there. And this one lost a few teeth as well. And this one doesn't have any broke teeth on it, but there's lots of little spots where you can tell something got in there and chipped it up a little bit. So I told him all about that, told him everything, and he sent me a full replacement. This is what I got right here. So 2 gears, the shaft gear, and some more spline pins. Let's get this thing put back together. All right. Just gonna put these little shims on here. And I'm gonna put this gear on first. The little key don't want to go in there. What about the old one? So I'm not sure why, but so this is the old shaft, and this is the new shaft. And let's see, the keyway fits into the old shaft. It doesn't fit the new one. That's a problem. Alright, we're gonna have to drill it. Alright, so I was able to take my little Dremel tool here, waller that out a little bit, and got the keeper going in there really good. Let's get this in here this way.
Give it a spin. Oh yeah, nice and smooth, no shafts moving.
Alright, so we got the transmission put back together. Everything feels smooth and clean, nothing binding up or anything. So thank you, Dlux Fab, for showing me awesome customer service. I really appreciate it. It's things like that is why I don't mind spending the money on good quality parts. You guys go check out Dlux Fab. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Give them a thumbs up. Give them a follow on Facebook, and appreciate you watching the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and stay tuned for more.